What's going on, guys? This is going to be a quick video explaining how to replace this hood scoop on a 2014 Toyota Tundra. This hood scoop, I'm pretty sure, is still the same all the way up to a 2020, so I'm going to say this is for a 2014 to 2020 because the one I ordered is for a 2020. We're having this problem where it keeps popping up and off. If you can see that, it pops out at high speeds, or just not even high speeds, highway speed. If you're going 65 or a little quicker, it'll pop up. So what I did was I looked at the back side of this. Let me see if I can get this up one hand. And on the back side of this thing, you can't really see it now, but in order to take this off, there's 3 bolts you have to get at. One here, and then one over here. So I'm going to take that off and show you why I believe it's coming up. If anybody has a suggestion on how to save the old one and use it to make it stop popping up, I'd really appreciate that. But my solution for now is going to be to just replace it. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace it, but it's just 1, 2, 3 bolts, like I said, and then we're going to pull it off, and that's all it's going to be to replace it. Okay, so the reason that I believe I'm having problems with my current one and it's popping out is because there's all these little tabs here that are just they're gone, they broke off, and those tabs are supposed to go through the holes on the bottom side, or well, it's technically the top side. These are upside down right now, but that's all right. So I'm gonna hold on to it. Maybe I'll get lucky and somebody can comment a suggestion, some way to save it. I guess I could try and glue it, which is what it looks like they did here. This has tabs plus glue, so in order to finish up, like prepping this before you put it on your truck, you have to take these screws out. There's 5 of them on the bottom side, and then there's 1 hiding down here on the top side. So you have to take those out of the old one and put them into the new one, and it's important that you get it flush all the way to the front there. You have to maybe lift or pull the plastic just a little to get it to fit. So now all we're going to do is we're going to push this into place, put the 10 millimeters on, and we're good to go. Hopefully this helped you. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. I do my best to respond to everything. We'll see you guys in the next video.